Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to use the if and function for pass and fail status in the data for multiple conditions. Let's begin. Here you can see some of the data I have prepared already and I use the conditions here. And I generated the logics here that how you can go through easily and understand how you will pass this condition status. See here, this all the information is very dynamic. I use the formulas for calculating the cycle time here for PR, for example, to PO data, that value based, if it is a shareholder case, non-shareholder case, or the date of starting from the PR up to PO or LOA. You will see here that how I pass this one. First of all, I want to give you the logic behind this one so you can pass easily the terminology. See, first condition what I have given here, you can see it here that if my shareholder, if this value, I will give you like this one. If and my first logic is if my this value equals to n, okay, comma, then what is my next condition? My next condition is this formula which I have used to calculate the cycle time for the PRs to PO. That H is less than equals to 10. I suppose that if my this value is less than 10, it should pass the status. Okay, close the bracket, right here, pass, comma, inverted commas, pass, and inverted commas again, and close. You can see here the first condition has been passed. If I will say it is 10, even though it's pass. If I will say 11, it is false because the next condition we have not passed still. So we are going to pass the next condition. What is my next condition? My next condition is the same, just we will make little changes in it. Okay, copy. I will remove this bracket, comma, and I will paste the same value what we had it. The thing that I'm going to change it here is if this value is greater than 10, then what it will be? It will fail. It will fail. It will fail. Now we will see that one. See, the first bracket is red, and we will put it another bracket which will be black, and it will close. Now, if I will put it here 11, you can see it is giving us a fail. So, what is the logic behind? You need to clear your logic, and based on that logic, you can build your formula. It is very important to understand the logic behind it. We will see it once again, the logic. Now we are going to put another logic. After comma, I'm going to put another logic. What is my another logic? In between. How in between? If the value goes up more than 10 and less than or equals to 12, and it should be Y condition. Now we will see how it will behave. Equal, comma, if and, but I'm going to mention it here now, that my this value equals to Y, bracket, inverted commas, comma, and what else? My H is greater than 10, comma, again, my this value less than or equals to 12. This is my range, that if it falls in this area, okay, what will happen? Close the bracket, comma, it should pass. Inverted commas, we will use it, pass the condition. And now you will see till back I am going to use it. Now it's failed. Now I am going to use it. Yes, it is shareholder. See, when it is 11, it is showing us, yes, it's pass. Even though 12, it's pass. If it is 13, then it is giving us a false. Now we will pass another condition. What is my other condition? Condition number 4, comma. Now what is the condition? If and my this value equals to yes, comma, this value is greater than 12, bracket close. What you need to do it? Fail it. Now I'm going to put it, see here now. When it becomes score 13, it is giving me fail. When I'm putting 12, it is giving me pass. When I'm giving you 10, it is giving me false. Now I want to put another condition which will pass for it. What it is? That another condition, comma, if and my this value equals to Y, inverted commas. You will use this terminology in inverted commas, comma. What will happen? This condition less than 12, bracket close, comma, pass. Okay. Now I need to close all the brackets after red. There should be a last one will be. Now you can see it. When my condition is going to be true, it is giving me pass. See here now, if I'm going to add here n, value is 9, okay, but when my value is 10, 11, it is giving me fail. But in condition of y, it is giving me pass. Now, it is very important to understand the logic, if and. So, you can, after that one putting all this one, you can drag the formula here and you will find all this information correctly. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will attach this Excel sheet in my video, so you can find under the description a link of my website and you can download from there as well. Thank you very much.